Want to know how to log in to Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is first up simply open up your favorite browser, and after that in the URL just simply type in Google AI Studio. Now, once that is done, right here you can see the official google.com page with Google's AI Studio in it. So simply select it and you should be directed right here. So now, since we are not signed in and we need to, right here you can see beside read API docs, the sign in to Google AI Studio on the blue button. So simply select it. Now you should be directed to Google account. So you need to simply choose an account. Most of the time your Google account should be saved right here, or you could be signed out as well. So if there is another account you need to choose, just simply select use another account. I'll just type in your email or phone, password, and then you can just simply log in. So for me, I already have a linked account right here. You can just simply select any one of these accounts and then just simply type in your password. After that is done, simply select next. And that's it. After that is done, you can just simply select I consent to Google API's terms and policies, or you can just also agree to receive emails, which is optional. And now once you select it, I accept, here you can start using your Google AI Studio. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.